Welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal. As you can see with this pretty little rainbow colored photo back here, we are going to test the EBL rainbow colored batteries. These are AA 2500 milliamp rechargeable batteries. I got tired of buying batteries at our local Dollar General and great place, and at the Dollar Tree, but I decided to go back. I've bought so many rechargeable batteries on eBay and Amazon that turned out to be junk, so I decided to let's go to a firm that doesn't do eBay and Amazon. Let's go to someone that when you read the reviews, they're not paid reviews. Alright, so let's take a look at these things. I even bought their EBL Smart Charger. But what I did with this, I used 2 chargers to charge these batteries up. I charged 5 on one of my older chargers, which takes forever to charge anything. And this charged up probably about an hour and a half, maybe 2. And I was really surprised because the other one takes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours sometimes. Depends on how low the battery is. So, and another thing too, my other 2, I've got 4 of those little chargers that charges 4 at a time. And when it's charged, the light comes on when you put them in, and when they're charged, the light goes out, and you know they're ready. Well, this is sort of the same way. When these charge, a red light comes on to show you that you got a battery in there and it needs charging. And then when it's charged, it's green. I like that much better. Put out really good products. That's what I'm going to tell you right on the top end. Let's put some of these in real quickly, just to see if they're still charged up pretty good, because it's been months and months ago. And somebody tell me how to get in this box. Oh, it's got a nice little lock here. I don't have any fingernails. Okay, here we go. Let's take the pretty sky blue, since we happen to have they'll sort of look like robin egg blue, don't they? Let's put them in there and see what it says real quickly. And I don't know if you can still see that. See the red light? It's solid. This will go solid a little bit. If it's flashing at all, it generally will start going solid, and that means it's charging. So that's charging. And alright, there we are back with the charged batteries. Let's take a look over here, and we'll swing over till you can see. There you go, right there. Excuse me. Charged up, ready to go. Let me turn the lights out here. Now then, how's that look? Can you see those okay? Yep. Batteries are charged. So we'll keep those things in business, and you'll be ready to go just like I am. Forget you said these EBL AA nickel metal hydride batteries. Thank you for watching. Hello.
Okay, it's called Easy Chill.
Yeah, that's it.
And it says auto AC recharge and leak.
That tells you that the charger's doing its job. So I'm going to give the EBL batteries a thumbs up twice. I'm going to give the charger 2 thumbs up. And go by and check out EBL. I'll put the link to their company in the description below. Y'all go by and tell them you. And by the way, they have a I'll see if I can. Well, when you go to their site, they've got a 20% off discount. So you want to check that out. Make sure you use their discount. It's not MGM discount. When I talked to them about a discount, they surprised me. This month they put a discount on their site. So go by and check that out. And tell them that old Max at Max's Garage Mahal sent you by there. They ain't going to pay me anything, and that's fine. I just try to find out if I'm helping you and I'm helping them out. and I try to get a report every quarter just to see if I'm doing anything for you guys. So please do check them out, and as we always say here at Max's Garage Mahal, for as long as we can. Thank you for coming by. Y'all come back and see us now, yeah?
Tell me true.